Assalamualaikum, my lovely viewers. This is Halwa Tuber running tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial, I am going to show you permissions, exceptions, marking warn you when websites try to install add-ons in Mozilla Firefox. Basically, it is a very important thing. Otherwise, any kinds of hacking software hacking errors is revealed in the website. So in that time, anyhow we will press these things, or sometimes this is not necessary to open this or install this. By default it has been opened. So for this case, if you really think that it is important to install or to one in our Firefox for using our desktop or laptop set, so we can easily use. So for this case, we will go to the Mozilla Firefox that I have been playing in my Mozilla in my taskbar. So go to the three bar icons here, enter the settings option, click here, and we will go to the privacy and security as because we will work this session. So we will scrolling, and below scrolling we will get the intentionally thing whatever this. So first of all, for these settings options, so we will press the marking sign. See, then we will find the exceptions, then click this. See, we will get this thing. So where what it has, so it has, you can specify which websites are allowed to install add-ons, type the extract address of the site you want to allow, and then click this. So if we want the things facebook.com, so we have to write, or can directly copy paste from this, see, Facebook, and obviously we have to press the allow button or allow option, then it will reveal inside this box. So click this allow, see, we will get these things. So it's Facebook has two. So what has, we will press this HTTP only Facebook, and it has revealed the HTTP as well as the HTTPS. So now obviously you have to setting the same changes. So click this. Now again we check that it has revealed or not. See, see, this has revealed here. So in this way we can do our problem solution. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe this channel. Hopefully this tutorial will help you so much.